Hello and welcome back to another exciting tutorial. Today we are diving into the world of setting up shipping options for various countries, and we will even tackle some more complex aspects like shipping based on weight and item count. So let's jump right in. To kick things off, head over to the group.business and log into your account. Once you have logged in successfully, navigate to the vendor dashboard area. Now scroll down to the bottom of the page and you will see the shipping option under the settings tab. Give it a click. Currently, we only have a shipping zone set up for the United Kingdom and Pakistan. As you can see under zone name, right next to it, you will notice the shipping method option, which is still empty. Not to worry, we will fix that right away. Click on add shipping method to start the process. Here you have the option to restrict shipping to a specific zip codes or postcodes. Otherwise, leave it blank and hit the add shipping method button. And from the drop down list, select your preferred shipping method. It's that simple. At first, let's dive into the most important aspect, which is handling complex shipping calculations based on weight or item count. To get started, simply choose the table rate option and then hit the add button. Now that we have added the table rate option, click on the edit button to make necessary adjustments. Alright, so let's first talk about the general settings. So here we have the method title, which you probably want to go ahead and put shipping to make sure that you don't have the table right there. A text status means is that you want to text on top of the shipping charges. Now I'm gonna put none. Here we have handling fees. So if you want to charge a specific handling fees as well. So the cost is applied once for the order as a whole. Alright, and then here we have maximum shipping costs. Now personally, I don't recommend to use this because I think you can just go ahead and just set a specific rate and then make it a lot easier. Right here we have rates. First input is calculation type is actually pretty important. So we have per order, calculate rates per item line, and then per shipping class. Now I'm gonna talk about each specific one to make sure that you understand because the prices drastically vary depending on what you put right here. So let me just go ahead and go to our first shipping rate. Now right here again, we have handling fee per item. So you can charge a fee per item and the minimum cost for that item would be words and then what would be the maximum cost for that item. But I'm not going to use this because I don't want to charge a handling fees. I want to charge a specific rate. So let's first talk about price. You guys ready? So let's go ahead and add a shipping rate. And right here, click on add shipping rate button. Choose a specific shipping class that you think is more relevant. This step is very important because later on you will need to link the shipping class with your product to ensure everything works fine. It is a crucial part of the setup process. I will set a condition of price. So here we have options. So what I'm saying right here is the price between a $0 to $100. I can charge them a one-time fee. So this raw cost is for the entire order. For example, I want to charge something of $20 and that's a one-time fee. The item cost field represents the cost per individual item. For example, if you want to charge $20 for each item, you would enter 20 in this field. The kg cost allows you to specify a fee per kilogram. This feature is especially handy when dealing with delivery services that charge based on weight. By setting the fees per weight, you can effectively manage the shipping costs based on the weight of each item in your shipment. The percentage cost field represents the percentage of total order amount that will be charged as a total order amount fee. If you want to add more conditions such as allow buyers to exceed a certain order amount, you can easily add more conditions to accommodate your specific requirements. Let's add a second one of price of something of 500 and make sure it's about $100, like $101 to $500. And you can even offer free shipping. So if you leave these inputs blank, by default it will charge nothing. And you can repeat the same steps using weight conditions. This time, instead of entering prices in the min-max field, you will input specific weight ranges. The rest of the process remains the same to what we have discussed earlier. Now save your changes. Now let's proceed to the next step, which involves linking the shipping class to your product. To do this, navigate to your products tab and click on the edit option for the product you are working with. Scroll down a bit until you reach the shipping and text section. Here you can input the weight, length, width and height of your product. Below that, you will find an option to select a shipping class. Choosing the right shipping class is important as it ensures the shipping system we configured earlier functions seamlessly. Okay, so once you have completed these steps, don't forget to save your product settings. Alright, that's the end of this video tutorial. Stay tuned for more exciting features and informative videos in the future. Thank you so much for watching. See you next time.